So something in this box is what we have been wanting to put on our van for so long. It's a bike rack. This is a Fabbri bike rack, and today I'm going to show you how to install it on your van. First off, what we're going to do is we're going to get it all out of the box and lay it all on the ground and see what we have. So in the set from Fabbri, we've got the instructions here, and we've got a little packet full of all the stuff you need to get it together. The bike rack is basically together, we just have to add a few little bits. But what I want to do first is mount the bracket onto the van, and then we'll go from there. So what I've done is I've taken the top rail off, and I'm going to put this one on first, mount the bike rack, and then I can see where the bottom one's going to go. So these brackets just fit straight in there, like so, and then the long screws go in the top and then tighten it against the door of the van. It should be on. They are long screws, but it takes a bit of time. So before you do Sikaflex this on, make sure you give the back of the door a quick wipe with a wet rag to get rid of any dirt. So these are clear stickers that come with the bike rack. You just put these under where the bracket's going to sit, and then that'll protect the car's paintwork. So the top rail's on and the bike rack's on. I'm going to put these ones on the bottom, mount that up, put some Sikaflex on and get it all done. Okay, next on we're just putting these end stoppers on the rails, and that'll make it look nice and neat. Okay, so next up we're just going to put these rails on the bike rack. They'll just sit straight on here to support the bike. Okay, so for these rails, what happens is this bolt just slides straight down, and then you put one of these inside, pipe sits on there, and then another one on the other side. This one just secures these two together as well underneath here. It's the same system, these just slide in, these bolts, and then you put a nut on underneath. Okay, so now we're just going to mount on these wheel stoppers, and what happens is here the nut actually goes underneath this little bracket here, and the bolt goes through the other side. One of the final steps we have is just to put these bike secure straps on, and they just slide through these brackets we just put in. So the final step we have is just putting these end stoppers on. Once that's done, the bike rack's finished and it's all good. So there we have it, the bike rack's on, it's finished. Feels secure, it feels good. Hopefully now we get some more storage in the back.